Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I am going to share a job opening from Flexability. They are hiring for Thane location. As you can see here, they have opening for survey programmer for data processing. So you should have up to 1 year of working experience in market research industry, or else fresher candidates can apply. So if you are interested, you can drop your resume on this mail ID. That's it in this video guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.